Hello everyone. Today I am here to review this guest paper of Vinod Publications. Its name is School Management. It's Punjab B.Ed Semester 2 guest paper. It's in Punjabi medium and Punjab University guest paper. It's a bestseller guest paper of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. It's a fully solved guest paper also. It has 100% sure success rate and it's as per the new syllabus. Now let's check out and review this guest paper. First of all, syllabus is given, new syllabus as prescribed by Punjab University Chandigarh. Then unit wise is given, like unit 1 organization and management, school as an organization, meaning, objective, principle of school organization, types of administration and management. Then we can go to like school plant, meaning, importance, essential characteristics, and institutional planning, meaning, objective, characteristic, advantage. Then unit 2 school timetable, important types, principles. Then especially morning assembly, NCC and field trips. Then discipline, concept, need, causes, and remedial measures. Then unit 3 leadership, concept, need, development of leadership qualities. Then supervision, meaning, objectives, principle, role of educational administration and school, block, district, state level. Then school records and registers, need and important, type, characteristics, and importance. Then unit 4 recent trends in school management. Then total quality management, concept, need, importance, characteristics through development of human resources through TQM. Then biometric attendance system, concept, importance, and challenges in Indian contents. Then feedback of teachers and administrators, concept, need, and importance, role of effective teaching. So all the topics are given, and then the topics are then the matter is explained in very well detail. You can check this out. Everything is very well discussed in detail, and everything which the syllabus had, a matter cover everything of the syllabus, whichever the syllabus had. Each topic is discussed. Very important questions are given, and the topics are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language, so that if you are easy in reading English language, you can still buy this guest paper and understand it. Very important questions are given, things are discussed in detail, so many pages are given to each particular topic. So I think you should definitely buy this guest paper. In the back side of this guest paper, B.Ed textbook semester 2 and B.Ed guest paper semester 2 Punjab University books are given, and 5-in-1 guide semester 2, 5-in-1 PU, and it's available in Punjabi, Hindi, English medium for 1, 2, 3, 4 semesters. You can check them out and buy it. This is given. And regarding this guest paper, its price is just ₹99 only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218-219218, and the guest paper will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. I think it's a very less price and very reasonable price for this kind of guest paper, just 99 rupees, where everything is covered in detail. Also, if you want to buy this guest paper offline from any available bookstore nearby your location, you can buy it offline also from any bookstore within just 99 rupees, whichever has B.Ed books. And you can go to Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books. All this stuff you can check them out, and also you can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out their books. You can go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and if you have any queries, and if you have any complaints regarding any book or this book or this guest paper or any guest paper, you can go to their helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com, and they will definitely sort out your query very, very soon. So 99 rupees is the only price of this guest paper. I highly recommend this guest paper of School Management, Punjab B.Ed Semester 2, bestseller of Vinod Publications, Punjab University, Punjabi medium. Highly recommended. Must buy it. Vinod Publications is the best, publishing firm of India. I highly recommend this guest paper. Must buy it. Must recommendable. Thank you so much.